What should be the first thing that someone says?
I can't even have audio for the game.
Damn, that's gonna be great.
No, I mean I can't have audio for the game for you guys.
Oh, that's fine. I really
Okay.
hope the cutscenes have like subtitles, bro.
Huh?
I hope the cutscenes have subtitles.
Oh, they don't. They don't. Is that a thing I can change?
If they did, they probably wouldn't be readable.
Oh yeah. How do you?
speaking German?
Why does it want me to quit the game?
It wants you to stop.
That's level select.
There we go. Options. Oh my.
Ocean. Ocean.
I can't read it. It's unreadable. It doesn't matter either way, apparently. What are you? What? Get ow!
What the heck was that?
Oh, it's a shopping cart? Who's throwing shopping carts in a dystopian future? Who has the time to do this?
Dystopian future. Throwing shopping carts at me game.
That's what started the dystopian. That's what started it all. The shopping carts.
Shopping carts are a menace to the non-existent society.
But what the homing shopping
For
carts?
you. They are menaces to the society.
Oh my god!
Get away!
for you.
Get away!
You've earned it. Why not spin?
This is gonna be an awful video.
Oh god.
Hello? Oh,
Hates messes. Hates messes. Drop a
I
Q
remember
near M
the
and
Dangerous
C.
Night video. The only editing there was the background music and the. I remember the Dankest Night video. The only editing there was the background music and some subtitles.
Legend, that wasn't even edited in, remember?
What do you mean?
It was a Discord bot.
Oh yeah!
It's just the subtitles.
I forgot we had rhythm.
What?
What the heck is that?
What is happening?
Parkour Wally!
I don't really.
Do you have any more strings in the background music? Oh my god! Calm down!
Wait, what's the background music?
I'm tempted to turn on audio. I'm turning it on audio so you can hear this. I forgot you guys couldn't hear it. Listen to this.
Turn this. Use the stork.
There are cars.
This is literally like a freaking tornado.
This is not a horror game.
What you hear in real life during This is what you hear in real life during a freaking tornado going around a freaking factory.
It's the storm sirens. Wallops. What are wallops? Am I stupid?
Use the stork jump, dude.
Oh yeah, oh god, yeah, I forgot. Ah!
No! He's dead!
Guys, he's
I
done.
remember this part of the movie.
Yeah, I love this part of the movie when there was a giant hurricane and cars were getting thrown at Wally.
Where there's a sandstorm going on in a huge factory and they decide, hey, let's go in there for no reason. Because this was definitely in the movie. Then Wally
Let's
falls
not
and
take
freaking
shelter.
dies, and then he reappears out of nowhere back at the beginning.
I love that, bro. Why am I... What is... God, stork jump. Stork jump coming in clutch.
It's coming in clutch, okay.
Oh my god! These cars! I couldn't even see it! I didn't have a chance!
I thought Eve blew something up and then it
Eve just blew up. Oh.
Eve self-destructs and kills.
That was my favorite part of the movie. These cars are out here, God! Leave me alone!
Self-destruct and kills Wally.
Wally's AoE effect.
Eve got so tired of the factory, she just wanted to die.
I'm about to do that right now. This level sucks. I hate this. Where are the cars coming from? Where are the cars coming from? That's a closed
I don't remember
window!
this level in the game. There's a closed window.
Where are the
Why is
cars?
there a sandstorm indoors?
Ghost cars!
Why is there a freaking hurricane indoors?
Why? I didn't even. Oh my god.
All I can hear is the Harry Potter theme playing over there.
Harry Potter. I'm gonna turn audio off now before. I'm gonna turn audio off now. So before my computer explodes, apparently, because Discord really doesn't like for me to have audio for you guys.
In 3 seconds, my computer will explode.
Magic!
I have to get all 15 key cards before that happens.
The heck you need key cards for?
Apparently to open the. I hate this game. This is my favorite game.
I love Wally for the Wii.
0 out of
Great.
10. 0 out of 10.
Man,
This is one
how
of my
is this
favorite
my
games.
first? How is this my first ever video game?
Actually, honestly,
well, I had my cousin
I
like,
would.
play the majority of like the second I can't remember, but it was like I only played like a little bit of the beginning levels, and then I just let my older cousin play the rest because this game was freaking hard.
I remember.
And
I
see
got.
why now.
I got to the ship. Like, you know, the by and large ship, whatever it's called. And
Yeah.
I couldn't get any further. That's it. That was it. That was
Dude,
the end
I
of the game
couldn't
for
get
me.
any further than the freaking Eve level.
Oh, that is early.
Because I was like freaking I
Can't make that jump.
5 years. I was like freaking 5 years old when I freaking got this. I was like, bro, what the heck am I supposed to do?
I got disconnected from the call.
Discord's really hating this today.
It was Wally's fault, man.
Discord really dislikes Wally for the Wii.
Yeah.
How much
Just
would it
square
take?
root of freaking pi.
Help! 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 Oh wait, no! I know how to get out of here. I know how to get. No! Let me up! Let me up! Let me up!
No!
I just got destroyed, bro.
You blew yourself up again.
This level sucks. All my homies hate Wally for the Wii. This is a great game.
Because it's a great game. It's just really hard.
It actually is. It's just like one of the hardest.
This is like
Wally gets trampled by a freaking.
This is actually testing my patience.
Wally
It's
gets
his
trampled
Dark
by a
Souls
Tesla Cybertruck.
Disney Pixar's Dark Souls.
Hey Josh.
Josh, we're recording right now. Leave if you don't want to be recorded. No!
When he gave sex penis.
Okay, so what's this?
Josh, I have to censor all of that probably. No!
You have to censor all of it.
I think I probably have to censor that maybe. You know what? Who cares?
God is running from that.
Wait, what?
Even if that cursed, just censor it out.
Wait, what?
It's been a pretty wild Saturday night
Where did?
for Wally.
Where did?
I mean, unless they got strong vents, there's no way.
This is just the air conditioning.
Dude, fucking Wally for the Wii.
Dude, this game is hard. This game is actually hard. It's ridiculous.
This game is hard.
This game doesn't have the rights to be as hard as it is.
Literally,
Disney's Dark Souls.
the fucking second I joined, I heard Pot G say, "This is Disney Pixar's Dark Souls."
That was me.
Yeah, I didn't say that.
Yeah, Pod G, why are you taking all the credit? You're
Yeah,
Say
Pot.
I didn't say anything.
Wow, it's pretty inconsiderate.
said everything.
No, come on! Why?
No!
This is the worst.
Oh my!
What a great introduction. What a
Eve,
great
shoot me.
first YouTube video.
Yeah, this is basically the level
Why
we're starting on.
wouldn't you want Wally for the Wii to be your first YouTube video?
Oh wait, the last two are
You're
here.
gonna get out! You're
Oh my
gonna
god,
make it
let me out, please. You're the worst. I hate this. I hate this game. I love this.
This is symbolic of what our channel is going to turn into in the future. Just an indoor sandstorm. An indoor sandstorm.
Indoor sandstorm with cars flying everywhere.
Watch you go outside, the sun is freaking out, everything is beautiful. Indoors, you go back in. Freaking Hurricane Katrina.